Tinky Winky, Dempsey, Dempsey, yeah, 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 Plow, Plow, Tinky Winky, just maybe I gotta sing the Tiki Tiki funk. Tiki, 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 a Tiki, ah. Tiki, 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 Tiki. Mother! I'm gonna just lock in. Bro, I'm not stopping till... I'm actually not gonna lie. I'm not stopping until I get 20%. Matter of fact, 30. Yep. Am I just... I should have just stopped, but... At least I get a more watch... I just want more watch time, honestly. And, I'm pretty sure if I make this video long. Maybe I gotta sing my childhood favorite song. I used to always play this when I was like 2 years old. My name is Diego and my life is so sick. I have a lot of money and I have a big house. I'm telling you now, all these other rappers suck. Come into my bed so me and you can cuddle. Now the world's over popping, I'm gonna be so rich. I don't like my wife because she's a big pain. Some people make fun of me, calling me a Tekken sock. Come say that to my face so I can slap you with my hand. Yo! I'm taking that. You know what? Yeah, okay.